Hey there and welcome. So you need to build a website and want to know the fastest, most effective, and overall best way to do it? Is it Wix? Is it WordPress? Unlike other comparison videos, I'm going to help you make the best decision for your specific needs in less than 2 minutes. All this starting now. First, we're going to start off by going over both platforms, Wix and WordPress, then conclude on which is right for you. Wix is a software as a service company, better known as SaaS, that allows its users to build complete HTML5 websites using one of its two builders, its traditional Wix builder and its new Editor X builder. With Wix, everything is built out to be plug and play with over 300 apps and 500 free templates. You can build a blog, e-commerce store, member site, event site, booking site, or all of them in one. You also receive great support via email or phone. They have company and user created tutorials and articles that address many popular questions and topics. As good as it sounds, and it does have its downside. Because it's a robust all-in-one builder with every little feature, it's not as customizable as it would be with an a la carte solution. You also must use their hosting, apps, website builder, and along with some bugginess, you also cannot export your site if you decide you want to move it to another platform in the future. WordPress, on the other hand, is an open source content management system, or CMS, that was originally created as a blogging platform, so natively it is going to shine in this arena. Because it is open source, meaning you have access to the source code, you can literally build any kind of website and customize it down to the smallest detail. Since its inception, this platform has just grown larger and more powerful, with over 50,000 plugins compared to Wix's 300 apps, and over 3,000 themes compared to Wix's 500 templates. WordPress, like Wix, truly is an amazing product, but where Wix has its limitations, WordPress has its steep learning curve. With WordPress, you'll have to invest more time and money and need to have or know some technical knowledge to take advantage of everything it has to offer. Also, since it's an a la carte platform with so many options, it can be daunting and challenging to have to choose your own hosting, domain registrar, theme, and plugins. And on top of all of that, you have to manage them all. So, which is right for you? In general, if you want an all-in-one package that is user-friendly out of the box, requires light management, and you don't mind limitations and having to sacrifice some customizability, then Wix is for you. Specifically, if you're a designer that wants to work exclusively with Wix when building sites for clients, or a designer just starting out and want to focus more on design while tiptoeing into the web design pool before committing, then Wix is what I would recommend for you over WordPress. If you need to have absolute control over every detail or have a big website project and don't mind spending time learning or paying to load up your site with all the bells and whistles that you need, then go ahead and go with WordPress. And if you're a designer looking to build sites that you know will require more customization for clients that will have more complex projects and are up for the steep learning curve and challenges along the way, then by all means test your luck with WordPress. Well, that was a little over 2 minutes, but let me know, was that enough information for you to make your decision? What will you choose, Wix or WordPress? Let me know in the comments, and let me know in the comments what video you'd like to see next. If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comments below. Hit the like button, smash that subscribe button, and be sure to ding that notification bell to find out when I release my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.